Welcome to all. This is Sebastian, your mindset and meditation coach. And today, Law of Attraction Mastery quote of the day. Without further ado, let's get into it. Never finish a negative statement. Reverse it and wonders will happen in your life. What does it mean? This beautiful quote by Joseph Murphy means one thing and one thing only. In your mind, you have thoughts all day long. Those thoughts are positive, negative, neutral, and anything in between. What you want to do is when you have a negative thought that is not aligned with your wish fulfilled, with your desires. So for example, if you want to manifest money, for example, and you have a thought like, I don't have enough money, I'm not good at making money, so on and forth. Every time you have this thought, you want to reverse it with an affirmation, a positive affirmation. So what was once, I'm not good enough to make this kind of money, would be, I'm amazing at making money. For example, you can choose the thoughts and affirmations that work best for you. That's your choice. No matter what, you want to flip the negative thought to a positive one. The thoughts and affirmations are your own. So you choose the affirmations and thoughts that make you feel better, or at the very least make you feel neutral. So you never ever let a negative statement be finished. You always reverse it. Now, sounds like a lot of work. It is a lot of work. It's a pain in the ass at the beginning. However, if you start doing this, let's say you are crippled by negative thoughts on a particular subject. Focus on one subject at a time, that will be much easier. Let's say you have a huge desire for something, but you have a lot of negative thoughts around this subject. Whatever the subject is, money, a specific person, a career, a holiday, a relationship with someone. No matter what it is, if you have a strong desire and you have a lot of negative thoughts associated with those desires, what you want to do is focus on this subject alone and see what thoughts you have about this subject. Be very clear how many negative thoughts you have throughout the day. So at first, you want to take maybe 1 or 2 days, not reverse anything, just see the real amount of negative thoughts you have on this particular subject. And after a day or two, you say, okay, you are aware of the amount of work you're going to need to put. So after this, after a couple of days, now you're going to go and reverse all the statements. Now you are aware of them to their fuller extent. Now you want to reverse each and every one of them. Now it doesn't mean that you'll be perfect. It doesn't mean that you will not miss out. But do it as much as you possibly can. And what will happen, even though you don't need to be perfect at it, you don't even need to be incredibly good at it, you just need to do it as much as you possibly can. The negative thoughts will lose momentum. And after a while, not only you will have fewer of them, a lot of times you won't have any negative thoughts at all about that subject anymore. Now, every now and then, maybe a couple times a week, maybe once a day, or maybe a few times during the month, you will have, and you still reverse them. You still affirm the positive. Even though the negative thoughts are gone, it doesn't mean that you stop affirming the positive and more the positive thoughts and affirmation. Keep on doing this. Keep on doing it, not all the time, but keep on doing this. Just keep it going. Like it's like going to the gym and sustaining the gains you have. You already have the muscles, you build them, but now you just have a workout to sustain the muscle and keep them from getting weaker. And that's the same thing. Keep on doing those affirmations to keep your mind and your mindfulness sharp, so you don't give any space for the negative thoughts to come back. But generally speaking, once you have let go of the momentum of that limiting belief and replace it with the positive affirmation, it won't take long for you to be clear of all the negative thoughts regarding this particular subject. And then after, you go to other subjects and do the same process. It's very easy. It's a simple concept. It's very easy, but it can be hard for a couple of days or a couple of weeks, depending on how much intensity you put in the effort. If you do it sporadically, then it will take longer. But if you are really committed to it, it won't take long until this limiting belief and those negative thoughts get the fuck out. And that's it. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Sebastian, your mindset and manifestation coach. Please check the description box below for more. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. It does help my channel grow, and I appreciate it very much. Thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon.